Well, it's finally here. Opening day for ski season in the Berkshires. I'm going to pick up my buddy Paul to put in the first turns. We've been watching everyone out west getting dumped on, and we finally got some snow around here. It's now December 15th. We're super excited. Let's go pick them up so we can get to the mountain. They look like a Christmas present out here waiting for me. Alright guys, first real run of the season.
I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, swirl on my shoulder, heart full of blues.
Well, that's fun.
What's that?
That's fun.
Yeah?
This look might be good too.
Huh? Oh, I didn't see you got stickers. Progressive old stickers. That's awesome.
That's annoying. It was nice.
I've been a real bad boy on the town all night, starting to calm down with a morning light. I'm in the down here.
There's the first fall.
You got that one out of the way.
Oh yeah. I was trying to lead over, but I didn't have enough speed.
I've been a real bad boy on the town all night, starting to calm down with a morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt.
Fun.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Legs burning.
Yeah, mine too.
Legs burning. My legs are burning hard. Oh, so fatigued. So wimpy. Gotta do some more exercise. I think I'm gassed.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
My quads are like
Okay,
about to cramp, I think.
Okay, that's fine. I'm good.